We're going to start by roasting the red peppers. Now if you want to skip that step, you can, because you can buy them ready-made and this is a fantastic ingredient, so don't hesitate to use that. But if you want to do it yourself, this is how you do it. Take 3 red bell peppers and place them into a baking tray. Drizzle them with 20 ml of olive oil and season them with salt and pepper. Rub them all over so they're nicely coated and place them in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius fan for 20 to 30 minutes until the skins start to blister. Next, take 25 grams of almonds. These can be flaked almonds or whole almonds or even almonds with the skin on. It is completely up to you what you want to use. And place them into an oven dish and roast them in the same oven for around 10 minutes until they are golden. If you want to do this in a frying pan, you can, but keep an eye on them because they can catch and burn a little bit easier. While your peppers and almonds are roasting in the oven, peel 2 cloves of garlic and then finely grate 30 grams of Parmesan on a microplane. Once your almonds are ready, just remove them from the oven and leave the peppers to carry on roasting. Take the peppers from the oven and you can remove the skins if you want. This will result in a smoother pesto, or you can leave them on. I like to leave them on. But if you want to take them off, cover them with some kitchen foil and that'll allow the peppers to sweat, and leave them for 10 to 20 minutes, and this will just make it easier to remove those skins when it comes to doing it. Then just gently peel the skins off with your fingers. Next, cut your peppers up into large chunks and remove the seeds and the stem from the peppers. Place them into a blender along with the toasted almonds, 2 cloves of garlic, 30 grams of grated Parmesan, 20 ml of balsamic vinegar, some fresh thyme leaves and a pinch of salt and pepper, and then blend until smooth. Place into a mixing bowl and leave it to one side until you are ready to use it. You can store the pesto in the fridge in a jar or container for up to 3 days, or you can freeze it for up to 3 months.